Howdy.
Hi, how's it going?
Wonderful. Hope you guys are having a good day.
Oh yeah, we are.
How can you not? $62.14. Actually, it looks like it goes a little bit higher up here. So if that was 62.14, this has to be about 62.35, 40. Shining rocks are right over there. You can actually see it. White patch out there. That'll be the next trip. It's still to this day my biggest accomplishment hiking. I won't try and achieve that bullshit hike that I did last time. This time we'll walk from here because, as you can see, it's not that bad. Don't ever get on a trail called Old Butt Knob. Just turn around and go the other way. Or like me, don't try and halfway through it decide, hey, let's turn around, and realize, no, it's more dangerous probably to go back down than continuing up. Anyway, this is a lot easier. Take this path. This is the Art Loeb Trail. It goes on forever. Apparently it's a lot easier to get there. What makes it really cool, Shining Rock, is the enormous quartz school bus structures sticking out of the earth everywhere at the top of the mountain. I mean, it's unreal how big the structures are, and actually makes me want to take a shovel and dig around that fucker. But anyway, alright, so we made it to the top.